Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can visit other teams' work during the Heartopia Beaver Build challenge. Okay, let's get into it guys. So the Beaver Build challenge is still in Heartopia and this is the exhibition page. And during the exhibition page, you can view other teams' works, but to view other teams' works, you need to have this token. It's called the helicopter token, and you can earn them by completing your daily resident request. Okay, after you earn enough helicopter token, you can go to this menu and you can click on view other teams' work during the exhibition phase. I'm going to click on random visit. You can also enter a player ID to search, but I'm just going to use the random visit. Okay, and I'm going to click on enter and it will consume 5 helicopter tokens. Okay, just like this. And it will bring you to the exhibition. Heading to the Build Challenge Island. Hold on. Alright, I've arrived there. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And you can walk around here to view the work, this team's work. And you can click on view next and it will consume 5 helicopter tokens. This is for the work information. This is the team. Thank you guys, and that's how we can view other teams' work during the Beaver Build challenge in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.